All right. Well, as we are entering the spooky week of Halloween, one of the things I'd like to share is a soft skill activity development document I created in School AI, but you can do this in anything else, where it gives you the understanding of what a prompt is, how does a prompt work in activity, as well as in an area where students could write down their prompts provided to their teacher and they could generate the imagery for the whole class as a whole, which is nice because as much as it kills me to create a document, and this could definitely be created into an electronic format for our students to work as well. But for our younger kids to understand how AI and prompting works at a younger age, this is a perfect opportunity not only to kind of give an example of what it is, it's thematic to the week, allows students to not only write down a simple prompt and how you could exemplify sharing that prompt and creating it into a more detailed prompt that you could do using Google Gemini and sharing this with your students to be able to kind of give an example of how you could take text, be as specific as possible based off your prompt, and generating an AI image, which is really cool. So from a handout to give your students a direction to a teacher be able to modeling in front of the classroom by using Google Gemini, and also they can save it and share it with their students as well based off however you'd like to do that, whether share it via email or Seesaw or Google Classroom. It all works that way. Now for our middle school students or even intermediate, they could actually sign into using Google ClassLink into Canva. They could go to the Dream Lab and put their prompts right here to be able to generate it. Gives them a good understanding of how a prompt will actually generate an AI image and how to be very specific with it. They'll actually create what you want to, what you envision it to be, and to continue to prompt and to learn how that works, which is awesome. If you're using Google Gemini, you could also just do another one like this, which is essentially, I put draw, but I would usually do create an image, and then I prompt it, and then in Google Gemini, if I get it from a student and I am as specific as possible, such as this, it is going to generate it based off of its library to create a very interesting, oh, that's kind of cool. So a really interesting AI image to model and demonstrate how you, based off your writing practice of the prompt, how it could generate it, and it's all in the theme of our spooky week of Halloween. Try it out. It's really fun. You could definitely use it for at any time, and it doesn't have to be specific to the theme of Halloween. It can be used at any time to envision anything that the students are learning, and it's a fun whole class project. So try it out this week. It should be a great time.